Home improvement. Time to get some boards. Deck time. All right, we're ready to roll, load it up on the Beetle. That's gonna do it.
It's gonna have to.
Gonna have to. That's all we got. That is all we have. Don't have the GTI anymore.
That was your little truck.
Hauled everything. So we'll use the Beetle.
Even the bus has hauled wood before.
Bus has hauled wood. Yeah, the bus and the GTI. But the GTI was more of a all-around workhorse. I think we'll be okay. It's working.